up, y'all? My name is Barbara Atewe. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm coming to you all ashy faced, just fresh out the shower, nothing on my face whatsoever, because we are going to shave my face today. Okay, so I don't have like problematic skin, but I like smooth applications of makeup. Like I get my breakouts here and there sometimes. Like I have a little spot here, I have one, two, I scratched myself here from my nails. But yeah, so today we're going to shave the face. Very simple. I don't follow anybody else's method of how I do this. It's called dermaplaning, I don't know what to call it, but I do my own thing. Okay, so what I like to do, we're just gonna dive right in, so please try to like, comment, share, subscribe, and let's get started. Cool. Okay, all right, so what I like to do no matter what is tone my face, even though I'm gonna end up washing it, like wiping it off again, you know what I mean? So yeah, so the toner I like to use, because I have like seriously oily skin, I like to use the Ordinary Glycolic Acid 7% toning solution. This right here does the damn thing. Okay, so I just like to shake a little bit on my hands. I like to use my hands because I feel like using a cotton pad and stuff, not enough product be getting on my face, you know? So and I feel like I waste more trying to put it on the cotton pad, and I run through the product more, you know what I mean? So yeah, so we're just gonna let that dry. It's a very simple process. I'm not even gonna hold you. Very quick, easy to the point. Just 2 products. Oh, also the tools that you'll need is obviously, I don't know if you want to use toner. If you don't use me as a guide. I'm just showing y'all what I do. Okay, so the tools I like to use: toner, face what are these called? Face cloth. Like a gel formula to put on my face, so like the tool that I use to dermaplane doesn't like snag on my face, you know what I mean? So today we are going to be using my Garnier Skin Active mattifying gel. It's a 3-in-1. You can use it for as a day cream, night cream, or a mask. Okay, love this stuff. It's mattifying, great for oily skin. And then the star of the show is these straight razors. Okay, not eyebrow razors. I use these to shape up my brows and stuff because I have like a lot. It comes in a 10-pack, but I ordered like way more, so because I go through them and I don't reuse them. So this is the one we're going to be using today. I'm going to show y'all. Let me see. Let's see if it'll focus. No? Okay, let's zoom in. It looks like that. No, still not. There we go. It looks like that. It is extremely sharp. I have sliced my face with it before, but you know, it does the job. It doesn't have that weird. Okay, so this is what I use to cut my lace, right? It's like a regular eyebrow razor that you get at the beauty supply. It doesn't have that weird, the teeth thing. I don't know how to explain it. It's like the tethered. No, what is that thing called? It looks like a bread knife in a sense. Don't use this on your face, girl. I learned my lesson the first time. I don't like those. I like these because they're smooth, they're sharp, get to the point. You ain't in here going over the same spot over and over again, aggravating your skin, you know what I mean? So yeah. Okay, so the toner's all dry. Now we're just going to take a heavy amount of the mattifying gel. I don't use this much usually, but just as a guard, put it on my neck as well, because we're gonna be basically applying it like a mask in a sense, so that I'm nourishing the skin and shaving my face at the same time. Get above my lip. I don't really curl hair over my lip, which thank God for, because girl, I'd be stressed. And I like to do this. I don't do this often. The last time I did this was might as well just rub this in my hands. The last time I did this was when I texturized my hair, when I stopped being natural. So that was, I want to say, almost 4 months ago. I'm also going to take a cotton pad keep it here so that I can show y'all what's on my face. Okay, so I'm about to get up on this counter, get as close to the mirror as possible, and we're gonna dive in. Okay, so what I like to do, I'm going to, let me see if I can zoom in. Yeah, so what I like to do is extend oh, hiccups. Okay, I like to extend the side of my face so my skin is taut, you know, and then I like to just okay, that's a lot of hair already. Disgusting. I'm going to show y'all. Okay, get into the macro lens, baby. That's what it looks like. That's just that small little itty bitty section, okay? So we're gonna continue. And I guess I'll include my nighttime routine with this. My nighttime skincare routine, my updated one. And I'm also gonna shave off my sideburns because, girl, putting on a frontal while you have sideburns, it's too much work. So because I don't know if this happens to y'all, but with me, like every time before my cycle, I get like these weird, thick ass, dark ass hairs on my neck. And then once I feel it, like I'll be just rubbing my neck out of nowhere, and then I'll feel the hair, and then I can't do anything until that hair is plucked out. So I like that dermaplaning. Ew, I got some on my ear. I like that dermaplaning allows me to just get it out of the way. You know what I mean? So yeah. Oh, that's a lot of hair, Barbara. We are hairy. Let's put some more gel on the neck here. I've been doing this for like almost 2 years now. Not as often. When I first started doing it, I didn't do it as often or as regular as I do it now, which is like every 4 months. I don't do it that often because, girl, ew. Alright, so this is just from half of my face and my neck. Can y'all see that? Let me see. That is nasty. And excuse my nails, I popped them all off, ripped them off, I didn't care. But that is just from half of my face. Girl, that's scary. Okay, that's scary. Alright, so we're gonna do this side now. We're gonna add more of the gel. Make sure I get some over my sideburn area. I do my nose last because I don't really have hair on my nose, but you know, I just do it last. Okay, so I'm gonna extend my jaw to make sure it's taut and then go downward, okay? Myself a little bit, but that's okay. way better than the gash I had right here. That was terrible. Okay, I'm gonna put more gel here. This is disgusting. Ugh. We're gonna zoom in. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, so that is all the hair, the ooh, I'm not holding it up. Come on. All right, so that is all the gunk and the hair. What is it called? Is it called vellus hair? I don't know. Peach fuzz, whatever you want to call it. All of that was on my face. Okay, that's disgusting. So we're gonna chuck that away, and then we're gonna do the nighttime skincare routine. Okay. All right, so I just did my skincare routine off camera. I just used I ended up washing my face again, obviously, but I used the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cleanser because that's like soft to the skin or whatever. And then I used my Garnier Balancing Facial Mist as a toner, and then I used the same mattifying gel as a lotion. I don't use heavy serums or acids on my face because, girl, we just basically exfoliated the skin and it's like sensitive. Okay, look, the skin is way smoother than what it was before. Let's zoom in. Put this macro lens to the use. She is smooth. Ain't no hair. Come on. We're good to go. Okay, so this is the final look. My face is extremely smooth. These makeup applications are about to be like phenomenal, especially since I've like discovered a new routine, which will be coming soon when I feel like putting on makeup again. Okay. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please just like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.